Humans have been practicing farming for thousands of years, but we were far from the first to master agriculture. Long before the first human picked up a plow, several insect species had already established complex, industrial-scale farms. Fungus-growing termites are highly evolved social insects that have been active farmers for more than 30 million years. They build massive mounds, precision-engineered to maintain the exact temperature and humidity required to cultivate Termitomyces fungi. So, how do they do it? It begins with worker termites foraging for dry grass, dead leaves, and wood. They chew this plant material and the semi-digested matter is excreted. From these pellets, they build spongy structures within their mounds called combs. The fungi grow on these combs, breaking down the tough lignocellulose in the wood and producing nutrient-rich white buds called nodules. These nodules are packed with proteins, nitrogen, and enzymes that are essential for the termites to digest their food. But they don't just sit back and wait. The fungi are delicate. Without constant care, they would die or be overtaken by weed fungi. Termite saliva has antimicrobial properties, so they constantly lick the fungi to keep the crop healthy. They also act as living thermostats, adjusting the size and shape of tunnels to regulate oxygen and CO2 levels. If the farm gets too dry, they fetch water from deep underground. If they detect a bad mold, they either prune it or seal it off with mud balls, a mixture of soil and gut secretions that acts as a powerful antifungal treatment. Leafcutter ants run a similar operation, but on a staggering scale. Their underground nests can reach a radius of 80 meters or 260 feet and house up to 8 million individuals. Unlike the rigid structures of termites, leafcutters create lightweight, hanging gardens made of chewed leaves and flower petals. When a worker brings a leaf back, they don't eat it. Instead, they lick it clean to remove rogue fungal spores, chew it into a pulp, and seed it with their specialized fungus. This fungus produces nutritious, swollen tips called staphylae, which are rich in fats and sugars. Do they actively tend the farm? Absolutely. They carry a specific type of bacteria on their chests that produces natural antibiotics. As they scurry through the garden, they literally apply medicine to the crops to kill off invasive molds. They even fertilize the fungus with their own nutrient-rich waste. Next are the Ambrosia beetles. These insects bore into wood to create galleries where they cultivate their own proprietary fungus. When a female matures, she packs starter fungus into specialized pouches in her body and flies to a new tree, specifically seeking out trees in distress. Distressed trees produce ethanol. For these beetles, ethanol is both a beacon and a tool. It helps them find the tree and serves as an herbicide that kills unwanted molds while promoting the growth of their specific Ambrosia fungi. Like our other farmers, they lick the tunnel walls to apply antibiotics and manually prune any weeds. While the females fly off to start new colonies, the flightless males remain in the tunnels, tending the original farm until the end of their lives. Perhaps the most fascinating farmers are the Philidris Nagasau ants, which inhabit the island of Fiji. They are the only known animals that deliberately plant seeds for their own needs. They gather seeds from the squamularia plant and tuck them into the cracks of a host tree. They guard these seeds fiercely. As the plant grows, it forms a massive, bulbous structure that the ants move into. The interior is like a pre-built apartment complex. Smooth-walled rooms serve as nurseries for the larvae, while warty, rough-textured rooms are used as bathrooms. This isn't just for cleanliness. The plant is fed by the ants' nitrogen-rich waste, which is vital since these plants don't grow in soil. In exchange for this fertilizer and protection, the plant provides the ants with sweet nectar. Wouldn't it be nice if humans could just plant a seed and watch a fully stocked, self-sustaining home grow out of the ground?